Hello, we've been working on deleting initial and final syllables off of compound words and listening for the syllable that's left over. In this video, we're not going to use any visual cues. Instead, I'm going to use my voice to help you hear where that word breaks to help you delete one of the syllables. So for example, I'll say the word birthday. Now say the word birthday without the birth. Notice I said the word birth quieter so you can really hear the word part day that's left over. Let's try another one. Say sunset. Now say sunset without the sun. The word is set. Say lifeguard. Now say lifeguard without the guard. You get life. Very good. The word is doorstep. Say doorstep without the door. Step. Say railroad. Say railroad without the road. Rail. Very good. Say freeway. Now say freeway without the free. Way. Very good. Say seashell. Now say seashell without the C. You get shell. Say rowboat. Now say rowboat without the row. You get boat. Say drawbridge. Now say drawbridge without the bridge. You get draw. Say himself. Say himself without the him. You get self. Say income. Say income. Say income without the come. You get in. Very good job listening for those syllables and deleting one syllable to make a new word.